Soria today,
tomorrow, and always.
delivering stories created by truth. This is Sofia Zaira Toledo,
And this is Prince Razel Salmorin.
and you're watching Historia de Nacional. Good day, Bacolod. This week marks the official start of NU Bacolod's first ever senior high school and college week. The halls have been turned into a bustling center of activity that highlights the academic endeavors and abilities of the NU community.
There is a stunning array of booths set up by various departments and senior high school strands, each providing a different window into their world. There is something for everyone, from engaging exhibits displaying student projects to interactive games that test your knowledge.
So far, okay lang man siya. Kag hindi ko expect na amo ni kadamo ang students kag galin sa iba't ibang nga schools nga makaduli subong kag tamang ka busy sa booth namon sa may photo booth daw kag sadya sa so far kay daw namo kami ma-meet nga new people kag experience sa mga lalang nga batasan sa mga tao kag estudyante.
Reporting from the heart of the action at NU Bacolod,
This has been Historia de Nacional
at your service.